What is Section 106 of the NHPA? Imagine you are walking through a historic neighborhood, surrounded by buildings that tell stories of the past. Each structure holds a piece of history, and preserving these stories is essential for future generations. This is where Section 106 of the National Historic Preservation Act comes into play. The National Historic Preservation Act, enacted in 1966, aims to preserve historical and archaeological sites in the United States. Section 106 specifically requires federal agencies to consider the effects of their actions on historic properties. This means that before any federal project, such as construction or land alteration, begins, the agency must assess how it might impact sites that are listed on the National Register of Historic Places or that are eligible for such listing. The process involves several key steps. First, the federal agency must identify historic properties that may be affected by the project. This often includes consulting with state historic preservation officers, tribal representatives, and the public. Once identified, the agency must evaluate the potential effects of the project on these properties. If adverse effects are anticipated, the agency must seek ways to avoid, minimize, or mitigate those impacts. This process not only ensures that historic sites are protected but also encourages public involvement. Community members and stakeholders have the opportunity to voice their opinions and concerns, making it a collaborative effort to preserve the nation's heritage. In conclusion, Section 106 of the National Historic Preservation Act plays a vital role in safeguarding the historical and cultural fabric of the United States by requiring federal agencies to thoughtfully consider the impact of their projects on historic properties.